Hi folks, welcome back. Well, it's Sunday again. We've had a bit of a busy day. Quite a few things to do today actually, so yeah. We've done some trimming in the bathroom. We've got the basin all connected back up. Water's on to it. Say just got the silicone to do on that, but I need to let the adhesive dry. We'll put a little light up and wired it through to there to be connected back to the main lighting circuit. So yeah, been quite a productive wee day. So we're not finished yet. As you can see, we've got the cushion covers and that in. We're back to the dilemma of the bed and what to do with it. So tried what the fella in the bed shop said about bending the corners to get it to fit into the corner. It's a no. So as you can see, the bed sticks forward and stops you opening the seat box. So basically what we need is that amount, which is 40mm off the seat box, in order to let the seat box open and the mattress to sit properly. So basically what I'm going to do is put some sort of a divider here, the sort of thing that will stop the seat cushion sliding that way, sliding to the left, and the seat back sliding to the left. It's wedged against the wardrobe wall, so just to give it another, and it'll just look like a little armrest, and then it'll then stop the mattress sliding forward. We can then get that amount cut off the cushions, side and bottom, get them restitched up both sides obviously, and yeah, it gets us round the dilemma of the back door, of the mattress being away from the back door, and I think will still allow me to fit the Ottoman type hinges to the bed. So, but yeah, that's basically the layout it's going to have. The bed will be still, I think it's about 50mm I need. I need to measure I want to be able to get my jerry can in the back and my water container in the back. I'll take you through and you see what I mean. Still full of rubbish under here. But as you can see, there's where the issue lies, is that corner and that corner. So as you can see, we're like 40mm away from where I would like to be, and obviously that's taking us away from the front end, so we need to gain that 40mm somewhere. These are the solar brackets for the solar panels, or solar panel. As I say, every time we get them out, the forecast says rain. I was going to do them yesterday. It said it was going to rain at 1 o'clock, so I didn't bother. It was a beautiful day all day, so I'm not even taking the chance. I'm going to wait until a day when it's definitely going to be a nice day. So anyway, that's basically that lot, and I'm going to get something done with that little door another day as well, but I'll leave that for now because I need to go and get some little butt hinges or whatever. I'll get them when I'm out at work someday. So we'll get these cushions off, I'll get the bed cleared, and we'll get this cut and trimmed. So I'll get on with that and I'll bring you back later. So just running the engine up. Here it just rumbles away there quite a thing. You see, I do this every Sunday. So we'll leave this to heat up a bit and we'll go back in the back. So as you can see, I've got the bedboards off, and by God they weigh something. So the cushion's off. I've cut and fixed the remaining side. So we've gained 40mm, which is the 40mm basically that we're missing at the other side. As I said earlier, cut the cushions so that the cushion's finished there. That'll allow the bed to slide forward the 40mm. Build that little divider which will keep the cushions snug and also keep the mattress snug. So yeah, quite pleased with that. Just need to find somebody that's good with a sewing machine. Right, these are the Ottoman hinges for the bed. So they'll fix. I'll just move the camera a wee bit. There you go. What you see. So they'll fix like there, and that will allow the bed to lift from inside, because obviously the leisure batteries and stuff are going to go under here. The leisure battery, and where my left leg is, there is where the heating system will be. Without smoke. Reason why I double over my videos, because the audio quality of the camera is terrible. So pack it up, put my phone away, I'll put the camera down and show you how actually this head unit disconnects. Anybody that's worrying about security with them, literally pings off. Put it away in its little polystyrene case which protects the screen, and it's boxed. I take it into the garage or take it into the house with me at night. So yeah, if you liked the video, give us a like and a subscribe, people. Take care out there. Thanks for watching. Bye.